Hello, in this video you will learn about factoring. More specifically, we will be finding the greatest monomial factor. We will start with the problem on the left. For this problem, step number 1 is to figure out which number divides all the terms. Which number divides 70, 90, and 70. In this case, the answer is 10. That means that we will be putting a number 10 outside. That's the monomial that we're going to factor. So 10 on the outside. On the inside, we will have 70 divided by 10 would be 7. We will bring down the letters for now. We will take care of them later. So we'll bring down the x cubed. Now the next one is negative 90 divided by 10 is negative 9. Bring down the x squared. And last is 70 divided by 10 is 7. Bring down the x. So we have factored the biggest number possible. If you were to factor a smaller number, for example, 5, you would then have to factor a 2. Then the 2 times the 5 would become 10. Okay. Once you have factored the numbers, we will take care of the letters. So what is x cubed? X cubed is the same thing as writing x times x times x. The exponent, which in this case is 3, lets you know how many x's we are multiplying. In this case, that's 3, which means we're multiplying x times x times x. Similarly, on the next one, we have x squared. That means we have x times x. And on the last one, the 7x, we only have 1x. Since our goal is to find the greatest factor, we have to look at each of the terms. The first 7x cubed has 3 x's. The second one has x squared. That's 2 x's being multiplied. And the last one only has 1x. So which one has, what is the most that they have in common? The most that they have in common is one of them. That means that we will bring down the 10 that we had originally factored out and put out the letter that they have in common. In this case, they have an x in common on the outside, and we will write out the rest on the inside. The numbers we've already taken care of them, so we will just bring them down. We bring down the 7. Since we factored out 1x, it's the same thing as crossing that one out, and that would leave us with x times x, which becomes x squared. On the next problem, we factor 1 out, and we bring down the negative 9, and we have only 1x left. On the last one, we factored that 1x, so all we are left is with 7, and this would solve this problem. Okay, we will be doing the same thing for the next one. So which number divides all three, 90, 54, and 9? The answer is 9. 9 gets factored out. Negative 90 divided by 9 is negative 10. 54 divided by 9 is 6. Again, we'll take care of the letters later. Negative 9 divided by 9 is negative 1 r squared. Okay. The first one doesn't have any letters. The second one has r cubed. That means r times r times r. The last one has r times r. That gives you r squared. So in this case, we are unable to perform factoring out a letter because negative 10 does not have any letters. That means that our answer for this problem would actually be this, since we can only perform one step. On the problem on the left, this would be the answer.